His question is, says, we know Allah is Sattar and He covers our faults and bad deeds or mistakes. But according to Surah Az-Zilzal, on the day of judgment, these faults and mistakes will be open to the people.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها. The earth will throw out its heavy metals, أثقالها, بأن ربك أوحى, because Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam's Allah, addressing Rasulullah, your Rabb has sent a wahi to the Zameen, to the earth, and it should do it. So all the discoveries which are made nowadays are because of this verse, which indicates that it is because Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam's Rabb has done it. So it means that it is for the ultimate use of Islam, ultimate benefit of Islam. وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ. And whoever does a wee bit, little bit of shar, that is evil, he will see the result of that. And whoever does a wee little bit of goodness, he will see the result of that. So this, I can't understand what is the question based on this.
The question is with how Allah's Sattariyat will work on that day, because it's saying مَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ شَرًّا
There is
يَرَهُ.
no question of Sattari. I'm amazed, it has nothing to do with Sattari. Sattari is nowadays, in our lifetime here, Allah is Sattar. Whatever you are thinking, the man sitting next to you doesn't understand. So this is Sattari. Whatever you have done, he doesn't know, the other person do not know. This is Sattari. But when Allah lifts his Sattari from the people, then of course every evil of theirs is exposed to the world. So this is the meaning of Sattari.